Two guards have been injured following a cash and transit heist on the N3 in Johannesburg.
It's 9:17 a.m. on a quiet Monday morning. A CIT van rolls down the N4 carrying millions in cash. Seconds later, boom, a fireball, screams, gunfire. Another war played out on a tar road. This isn't fiction, this is South Africa's real-life war on wheels. Welcome to the dark world of cash-in-transit heists. Cash-in-transit heists aren't new. South Africa's had this long, messy relationship with money on wheels since the 80s, but the early 2000s, that's when things got real. These vans don't just get hit by chance anymore, they get hit by design. CIT heists evolved from chaos to choreography. Dark, deadly choreography. This isn't a robbery, it's an operation. Alright, let me walk you through a South African cash-in-transit heist, step by explosive step. Step 1, insider info. There's always someone who talks. Could be a disgruntled employee, a security company driver, a cleaner, or even someone from dispatch. They leak the when, where, and how much, down to the second. It's all about timing. These jobs don't go down without precision intel. Step 2, roadblock setup. The crew selects a choke point, a quiet stretch of road with no quick detours. They roll in with stolen vehicles, usually a bakkie and a luxury car that can outrun cops. The vehicles are parked sideways, boxing in the CIT van. Spike strips, oil slicks and traffic cones, anything to stall and control the area. Step 3, armed assault. We're talking real firepower, AK-47s, R5 rifles, even modified automatic shotguns. Some heists have used military-grade explosives or rifles with drum mags. The attackers move in military-style formations, wearing tactical gear, balaclavas, and comms earpieces. This isn't street crime, this is combat. Step 4, explosive entry. They strap explosives to the rear door of the armored vehicle, often industrial gelignite or PETN. A controlled detonation sends the doors flying, smoke and shrapnel everywhere. The goal? Breach the cash compartment without torching the money. Step 5. Grab and go. The crew grabs the sealed money bags, tosses them into the getaway car and splits. The decoy vehicle is usually set on fire to erase evidence. They're gone in under 3 minutes. Silent, swift, gone, like your salary on debit order day. Let's talk money, because these heists aren't just about shock and awe, they're about serious bank. Witbank, 2014, 14 million rand vanished into thin air. No arrests, no suspects, just a smoldering van and traumatized guards. Fast forward to 2020, Boksburg. This one was wild, a Hollywood-level ambush. 25 million stolen in a daytime attack using signal jammers, automatic rifles, and luxury getaway cars. The attackers moved like soldiers, not thugs, and they got away clean. But the biggest hit? Pretoria, 2006, the SBV depot. An inside job with military precision, fake staff uniforms, real passwords, zero mistakes. They walked away with 90.9 million rand, and most of that money still missing, still haunting SAPS to this day, and it hasn't slowed down. Just between 2022 and 2024, there have been over 500 CIT attacks in South Africa, more than 700 million rand stolen in under 3 years. That's not crime, that's an industry. Behind every cash van ambush is a structure, not just gangs but calculated networks. Ex-soldiers, former law enforcement, men who know formations, tactics, surveillance, escape. These aren't random thugs, these are militarized syndicates. Some operate in cells, silent, efficient and brutal. They've got the gear, the getaway logistics, and sometimes even inside access. They plan months in advance. They hit fast, they disappear faster, and while they vanish into thin air with millions, Others are left picking up the broken pieces. Security guards, underpaid and overexposed, become the first line of fire, not by choice but by job description. Some survive with trauma that never heals. Others don't survive at all. Let's not forget them. The fathers, brothers, sisters, friends who suited up for a paycheck and never came home. Their names don't always make headlines, but their families, they remember every day. These heists leave more than just empty safes. They leave orphans, widows, PTSD, trauma so heavy it spills into communities. Because when bullets fly, it's not just about the money, it's about lives. The Hawks are trying. SAPS has deployed elite units. Tactical response teams are being formed. Specialized investigators work around the clock. Private firms like Fidelity, G4S and SPV are tightening protocols. Drones in the sky, GPS trackers embedded in vans, tamper-proof locks, panic buttons connected to command centers. The cash vans themselves are evolving. Reinforced cabins, time delay safes, engine kill switches. Technology is stepping up, but here's the hard truth. It's still not enough. Thousands of suspects have been arrested in connection to CIT crimes over the years, yet less than 10% of them ever face real conviction. The rest walk free due to poor evidence chains, missing dockets, or even internal corruption. And when criminals know they're unlikely to do time, the heists keep coming. It's a vicious cycle, one where reform is as important as firepower. Because if we don't fix the cracks in the system, all the drones and data won't stop the next van from burning. Cash is dying slowly. Some say going digital will fix it all, but crime evolves. Less cash on roads, more cyber hits. These syndicates won't vanish. They'll just reboot until there are real consequences. This war on wheels isn't ending. Because nothing says Monday morning in Mzansi like dodging RPGs while trying to refill the ATM. So hit that like button before someone hits your bank truck. Peace.